Hello, everybody. My name is Paridi. I'm local here in the Chicago area, and I'm a business development manager at RHO. We're truly excited to be the newest NAHB member savings partner. So I'll take a little bit of time talking about who we are and what we do. RHO is an all-in finance platform that offers cards, so corporate cards, physical or virtual cards, accounts payable functionality to capture invoices, pay your bills via ACH, check, or wire, expense management to capture receipt on all your expenses for better tracking, and also automating the job coding on those expenses. For example, assigning job numbers, locations, GLs, and also helping you integrate with our platform to sync the transactions into your accounting system. All of this, all in one platform, one login, no fees for any of the functionalities that you utilize. I would love to set up some time one-on-one with each one of you to identify your unique needs and how we can help. My phone number and my contact information will be in the email you have received. So please feel free to reach out, or I will be reaching out to each one of you very shortly. Thank you.
Thanks, Paridi. So I actually have signed up for the platform and I haven't been using all of the features yet, but what I love is the ease of creating a virtual card and being able to just turn that on or off and set limits for all of my employees. That is fantastic. And also to be able to use those cards for specific vendors. As you know, we own a marketing and advertising company, so we're paying for ads for, Facebook or Google or all of these things for different clients. And when our clients want us to be paying for that and they're reimbursing us, it's really nice to be able to even set that up as a client and have their own individual cards per platform. I mean, the possibilities are endless on how you want to organize it for your business. I love that. And the virtual, again, is great. And you can have printed cards too, right, Brady? So
that's correct.
Physical, really easy to organize your finances for sure.
Exactly. Any unlimited number of physical and virtual cards at no cost. We're backed by MasterCard, so MasterCard is accepted almost everywhere.
Yeah. And being able to set those limits or change those limits, on demand is fantastic. It really keeps everything flexible, and it lets you know that you don't have all of your cash available to any specific vendor or employee to just, do whatever with.
Exactly. And you can also set notifications to on those cards to where you get an alert every time your card is used. You can set up email notifications. So you get an alert as soon as the charge is made, and you can immediately take a picture of the receipt and attach it to the expense through that one text window, and don't have to worry about carrying paper receipts. And when we're able to integrate with your accounting system, all those receipts, those expenses can go right into your accounting system.
Yeah, that's really nice. Really nice feature. Question about, so you're literally opening a bank account, right? When you are partnering with RHO for this program, but you also have a credit option as well. Now, do they work side by side, or, can you have both, I guess is the question?
Yeah, so we have banking, treasury, accounts payable, cards, all in one platform. So you can decide which functionality that you want to use. Typically, our construction clients will use the invoice capture functionality where all their invoices start coming into the platform. And from there, you can review, approve, and pay all those invoices regardless of how that vendor gets paid. So if they get paid by ACH, check, wire, or card, all of that can be done within the RHO platform, again, at no cost to you. If you have a desire to set up banking, you do get set up by default with one checking account, but you can have multiple checking accounts, up to 250,000 FDIC insured. If you have idle cash more than that, you can move that to Treasury account, and you can get additional FDIC insurance. And of course, the corporate cards that are available to you in the platform as well.
And it does integrate with other financial software like QuickBooks, correct?
QuickBooks Online, yes, it does integrate with QuickBooks Online, and where we don't integrate with your accounting system, then we do have a CSV, a flat file that you can export out of the platform to then import into your accounting system.
Great. Is there a specific credit score that or a minimum credit score needed for your credit platform?
So the best part about this RHO platform is that it's 100% corporate liability. So we do not look at credit scores. If you are looking for a credit option, we look at financial documents, your company's financials, your bank statements, any line of credit you have available through your bank. But this program has nothing to do with you personally.
So that's nice. And signing up, there's no credit score, there's no drop in your credit score. They don't do a credit check or anything like that.
That's correct.
No risk.
And as far as one more thing that I wanted to outline is all the card spend will also earn you 1 to 1.25% cash back, and that's monthly cash back on all of your card spend. So any material purchases you're making, any employee expenses that are being charged on the card, they all qualify for monthly cash back. And
that is fantastic. I forgot about that feature. That is fantastic. It's definitely the way to go for business expenses. It's fantastic.
And also companies that are that have either business cards outside of their banking relationships, say Amex, Chase, Bank of America, wherever else they have their business cards. They're mostly personally guaranteed. So your FICO score is taken into account. This is 100% corporate liability, and the limits you see on those business cards are lower typically because it's backed by you personally. Again, here you have the ability to get a credit limit, but even if you're making mid-cycle, you're already used to making mid-cycle payments or paying the card down every day, you have the ability to do that with the RHO platform and get a higher cash back, but not have any personal guarantee involved. So you're still going to be able to accomplish all the similar things that you're currently doing, but with a higher cash back and no personal guarantee.
Yeah, that's huge. I think a lot of our members could definitely appreciate and use that.